I've been getting this question about weight loss journey. Nurse Mercy Mary, how do I go about weight loss? Because most of my video, I explain the benefits of actually reducing an extra pounds. Because reducing an extra pounds when you are overweight, when you are obese, go a long way when it comes to your overall health and well-being. And people keep dropping on the comment section. Nurse Mercy Mary, I've been trying to lose weight. Is there an easy way to go about it? Can you say it in your video? And today I am here to take that particular question because there is one particular thing that you're not doing when it comes to your weight loss journey. Good day everyone and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as a nurse with a difference. And today we're going to be talking about one thing you are not doing when it comes to your weight loss journey. I know you've been doing a lot. I know you've spent a lot of money when it comes to registering for classes online. You've registered for a lot of classes, but yet you are not losing weight. I know you've bought books that are talking about diets. You spent a lot buying some Kindle on Amazon. You spent a lot buying some hard copies of those books on Amazon, but yet you are not losing weight. I know you've registered for your gym classes, but yet you are not losing weight. And you are thinking, what else can I do to reduce weight? The only issue I see most people have when it comes to weight reduction is the execution problem. You get, when you see a lot of research online, you see people like, yes, there's increased rates of overweight and obesity over time, but people are spending they're spending a lot trying to buy copies, trying to go for courses to help them reduce weight, but yet they are not reducing weight. This is as a result of execution problem, not that you as an individual, you don't know what to do. You've seen the courses and they've outlined what to do for you. You've seen the food that they want you to eat. You've seen the lifestyle that they actually want you to embark on. You've read a lot. You've even jotted down. You've even planned your meal. And some people, they've not planned your meal. Some, they've planned their meal. But the problem you're having is the execution problem. You are not sticking strictly to the plan. And if you are not sticking strictly to the plan, if you are not following up suit with that courses, that books you've read, you are not going to see any impact. Okay, I know it's not an easy journey. Don't think it is an easy journey. Okay, but if the reducing your weight is your main goal, I think you should try as much as possible to work on your execution skills, to make sure you execute what you have been studying, to make sure you execute what you have listened to. If you've listened to courses and you have where you jotted things down, go and bring those jotters and start executing those things you've listed already. There are thousands of videos out there on social media telling you on what to eat, telling you on how to exercise, telling you on just follow suit, execute and start actions. Okay, put in the action, put in the work, and definitely you are going to see some kind of result. You're not going to see the result 1 week, 2 weeks after you start. But when you are consistent and persistent, you are definitely going to see the results. So what I advise you to do in summary is to go back to your drawing board, is to go back to your drawing table and draft out the whole thing. You see that gym class you registered for, but you're not going, start all over again. Start attending that gym class. You see that diet timetable you planned, but today you do the vegetarian diet, tomorrow you're no longer doing it. Today you do keto, tomorrow you're not. Go back to that diet plan. Okay, you see that exercise that you refuse to do, go back to that exercise plan. So you have to be disciplined when it comes to your weight loss journey. I was watching one of Ali Abdal video, a YouTuber, and he said that discipline is not doing what you feel like doing. Discipline is when you do something that you don't even have the feeling to do. You don't feel like doing it, but it's important. That's discipline. So you feel like losing weight. If you don't leave your comfort zone, trust me, you're not going to lose that weight. All right? Go back to your drawing table and start that execution now. Execute it now. All you are having is not the courses problem, is not the video problem, is not the guideline. Most times, what I think you are having is the execution problem. Execute today and start your weight loss journey. So this is all I have to share with you in regards to losing weight. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mercy Mary saying thank you. Bye and see you in our next video.